Today I am in Perla Marina. I wanted to show these completed townhomes. These ones are already sold, but the developer has purchased land and has broken ground on new townhomes identical to these in Playa Chiquita in Sosua. So only a 2-minute walk to Playa Chiquita Beach and central Sosua. So the new ones will be in a great location. I wanted to take a video of these completed units to demonstrate how the new ones will look. Coming in the front door, there's a half washroom right here. Stairs leading up to 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Open concept kitchen and living area. Nice finishes. Because the new ones are pre-construction, you do have the option to choose your own tiles, color of granite, color of cabinets. There is a small private pool and yard area. It's only a 6,000-gallon pool, so not huge, but nice splash pool and private. Sliding doors. So let's go upstairs, take a look at the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 is right here. Conditioning with an ensuite, walk-in shower. On the other side is bedroom number 2. These stairs here go to an upstairs terrace. That, however, is optional. And it is $22,000 to add that upper roof terrace. This is bedroom number 2. Again, with an ensuite washroom, walk-in shower. This one's a pretty good size. So let's go take a look at the roof terrace. Again, upstairs. Walking out, you can see it's very tropical. Palm trees, those weird tall fir trees. And it's full outdoor sitting space. So it's plumbed, it has a kitchen. Perfect place for barbecue. You could even mount a TV, putting an outdoor sitting area right here. Bar fridge. So although this is optional, additional $22,000, it's definitely a great outdoor living space. So it would add substantial value, whether you chose to do it up front or add it later. So this is a townhome in Perla Marina. The developer has just broken ground in Sosua in Playa Chiquita for identical units in Sosua.